Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Smart Life won't add my device pairing mode 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and permissions. Fix 1. Verify your Wi-Fi connection. Smart Life and two-year devices only operate on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. If your router broadcasts both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz under the same name, your phone might connect it to 5 GHz, preventing the pairing. So forget or disconnect from any 5 GHz network, often named network name underscore 5G. Then connect strictly to a 2.4 GHz network. Temporarily turning off mobile data on your phone can also prevent interference during setup. Fix 2. Double check app and phone permissions. The app must have access to your local network and Bluetooth to discover new devices. So go to your phone's settings, then tap on Smart Life and ensure both local network, iOS, and location/nearby devices permissions are toggled on. Fix 3. Put the device in pairing mode. Your device will refuse to connect if it is not broadcasting a pairing signal. So locate the physical power button on your smart device and press and hold the button for about 5 to 10 seconds. Then release it when the indicator light starts rapidly flashing, easy mode or slowly blinking AP mode. Fix 4. Try AP mode, the fallback method. If the default auto scan or easy mode times out, use AP mode. Open the Smart Life app, then tap the plus icon and select your device category. Now tap the pairing method in the upper right hand corner and switch it to AP mode. From there, select confirm indicator slowly blink. Then connect your phone's Wi-Fi to the hotspot the device is broadcasting, usually named Smart Life XXXX or SLXXXX. Then return to the app and wait for the configuration to complete. Fix 5. Alternative workaround. The mobile hotspot trick. Use a second smartphone to create a Wi-Fi hotspot with the exact same Wi-Fi name and password as your home router. Then connect your smart device to this hotspot, add it to your app, and then switch the smart device's settings to your home network later. Then factory reset. If you are re-adding a device, completely delete it from the app first. Then hold the power button down for an additional 10-20 seconds to wipe its memory before trying to pair it again. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.